G'day guys, my name's Chris. Welcome to Purewax Car Care Products. Today we're just going to talk a little bit about our Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, a super safe, hyper cleaning spot and stain remover. Okay guys, so we've got a nice ingrained stain in the Jeep seat here that we're going to try and get rid of with the Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. We're just going to put a bit of a soaking onto the stain here. Don't go too crazy, but just let it soak in. What we're going to do is we're actually going to let that sit for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to use one of our microfiber cloths to wipe off the dirt. Cool. Okay, time for the big reveal. There you go. Magical stuff.